Ugh. Dang it! Oh gosh darn it! Oh man! Nope, not today. Feeling unmotivated? Are you hitting snooze too often? Are you feeling overwhelmed? Feeling like you just can't get through? Let's fix that. This is Peasant Uprising. Don't forget to subscribe. Not having motivation is a constant struggle. For me, for many other people. I've dealt with it throughout my life. I've come up with several things to help myself get through, but there's really only one answer for feeling unmotivated. The one thing that has helped me the most throughout my life is this. Just get up and do it. It's that simple. And we're done here. Seriously, all joking aside, letting yourself get stuck in those negative thoughts, that's not going to help you get through anything. Don't allow yourself to get stuck in that overthinking, fantasizing about how successful other people are. Man, look at these people, they got it so good. There ain't no way. Spending all of your time looking at how much success they have. How am I even gonna do this? There's no way. Forget it. Spending every moment worrying about everything you have going on in your life. All of these things end up screwing you over. They steal your time away from you. Legit, everybody has 24 hours in one day. Everybody across the board. Every soul on this planet. Every living thing has the same amount of time in one day. The more time you spend worrying about other things, other people, what they're doing, the less time you have to make yourself more successful. So that literally holds you back. Don't let that happen anymore. Get up. Right now. Just get up and get to it. It's that simple. You can thank me with a sub and a like. Can you see this microphone right here? How am I ever gonna do this, man? That was legit me just recording the video.